Hello, everyone. My name is Avi Cohen from XJet, and today with us, Mr. Ivan Boyarinsev, AM Technical Director at AB Universal. AB Universal is an XJet partner in Russia, and as a matter of fact, was our first partner signing with us. How are you today, Ivan?
Hello, Avi. Good day.
Many companies these days are very busy in the healthcare and medical industry trying to support the coronavirus. Can you share with us a little bit what you are doing in this aspect?
Yes, of course. Just now, XJet print a small turbo pump like this for ventilation machine, and we will test it.
Excellent. So you're printing parts for the pump in the ventilation machine. That's a real good help. And when many peoples and companies are not working these days, are you open and working as usual in AB Universal?
It's not as usual. Maybe less than half% of our company still working because we try to help doctors and medicine industry.
Super. I want to thank you for sharing with us a little bit the news about the parts that you are printing from ceramic, and wish you good luck.
Goodbye.
Thank you.